Hi there, it's Josh Goldback here from Advanced Coupons, and today I'm very excited to announce that we have fully integrated with the WooCommerce memberships solution for WooCommerce. And I wanted to take you through a quick run of it and show you some of the things that you can do with WooCommerce and Advanced Coupons on your store. So if you have a store where you're selling a membership level, perhaps you have members only products, or you want to have members only content, such as in a course or something like that, but you want to be able to give those members a specific discount or coupon or some sort of deal and not have that apply to other people that aren't on those membership levels, then you can do so now with Advanced Coupons and WooCommerce memberships. So let's dive in. We'll have a quick look here. So I've got my my Advanced Coupons demo site here, and you might notice that I've got this little category here down called VIP members products. So what I've done is I've gone through and I've set up WooCommerce memberships, and I've set up a couple of VIP products that are only available or meant to be only purchasable by the VIP members on my store. Now, I also have this other product here called a VIP membership. So when somebody purchases this, they get automatically put onto a VIP membership plan. So their user gets changed into a user that's a member of that particular plan. So I'll show on the back end how this kind of hangs together. So under WooCommerce, you can see under memberships, and you'll see this section on here. Once you have WooCommerce memberships installed, let's have a quick look at the membership plans. So I have one membership plan level. You might have multiple in there. And this one here, it's just an unlimited length access. You can also pair up WooCommerce memberships with something like subscriptions to do like a recurring membership. But in this case, I've just set up WooCommerce memberships with a VIP membership plan, and it's granted access to this plan, to this membership level, once you purchase that VIP membership, and they get that for life. So the next step that I had to do was set up those products. So in my products here, the first one to set up was a VIP membership. So this is the one where they need to purchase, and that gives them access to the actual plan. And if we look down the bottom here, so this is a fairly straightforward thing. It's just like a standard product. Gives you the pricing fields and stuff that you need. So I've just called it $100. They get it for life, and that grants access to that VIP membership. So now what we need to do is also set up a coupon. So this is where the integration kind of comes in. We want to set up this little coupon in here. I've just called it VIP 20, and that gives them a 20% discount on any products. Now, where the integration comes in is in our cart conditions area. So cart conditions are basically rules that your coupon has to meet in order for it to be applied to the cart. And if somebody tries to apply a coupon and they haven't met these cart conditions, it basically fails and it gives them a nice message. In this case, we've added a condition group. So we added, let me just go ahead and I'll get rid of that so I can show you adding it from scratch. So add the condition group, and you can group rules together as well. But in this case, we're just going to show the new ones, which is WooCommerce memberships. Allowed membership plans is the one that I'm after. And you add that in to your cart conditions, and then you can select from the actual different membership plan levels that you've got in your system. Now, the other way that you could do it is to disallow use based on membership plans. So you could say that this coupon is available to anyone that is not a VIP member, meaning VIP members are already getting some benefits and we don't want them to be able to use this particular coupon. So that's sort of the other way that you can flip it on its head if you want to do something specifically for retail customers. So for me, I'm using the allowed memberships plans, and I'm going to select the VIP membership plan. So if I hit update there, that will save that. And I'm going to go to the front of the store. So let's do one more test before we purchase this membership. Let's try and use that coupon. So if I added a product to the cart, I'm going to view the cart, and basically if you remember our coupon, they should get 20% discount off any product. So any particular product, as long as they're a VIP member, they get 20% off any other normal product. So if I type in VIP 20, apply that, you'll see that your current cart hasn't met the conditions set for this coupon. So they're not able to actually use that particular coupon to get the discount. All right, so let's go back and we'll purchase that VIP membership. So here it is here. I'm going to add that to my cart. Let's go and view the cart. And what we're doing here is we're basically, we're just wanting to purchase this VIP membership so that my test user gets put onto that particular VIP membership plan, and they'll be able to then claim the discount. So I'll go through this this purchase and then we'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back here. I've completed my purchase. I've got the VIP membership, and I went onto the back end of the site, and here's my order, which is now completed. I've completed that order, so we're all good. The user has now been granted the permission to add a coupon, the VIP 20 coupon, which was restricted only to members of the VIP membership. So if we go back to the cart now, we've added in a random product there, and let's just try and apply that particular coupon, which I'm expecting now it would apply successfully. So there we have it. The integration between advanced coupons and WooCommerce memberships, and you can basically restrict all of your coupons to particular memberships or disallow certain memberships for that particular coupon using the cart conditions feature in advanced coupons. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and we're looking forward to seeing you soon.